that has a sharper corner. So this one, they actually thought about protecting your trim, which is nice. And again, just put that torque screw into the slot and then just go clockwise now. And each door should take no longer than a few minutes to install. So we'll be doing it for all 4 doors. I can't say enough how often we use the cup holder. Almost every day, every time we use the vehicle. So it is useful. It's not a gimmick at all. Here's the new cup holder. This should just slide right on just like that. Oh, it actually has a latch here, so it locks in. And then when you pull it up, you're not using it, you can just